Hello, I'm Dandara. Welcome to Hedge Trading Business Presentation. So today I'll show you one of the best opportunity to make money in 2024. With years of experience in sport trading, here we offer a unique investment opportunities to our clients with attractive returns.
You might be asking what sport trading is. It's similar to financial market, which trades stocks and commodities, whereas in sport trading, you buy and sell positions in sport events.
But how it works? Traders can bet for back or lay, whether one team will win or lose. This operation happens in specialized platforms, and success depends on data analysis. We offer investment packages from $25 to $100,000, with a daily return of 1.2%. Your contract remains till you reach 300% of your capital. To start, you choose one of our packages, for example. Let's take a $25 package. So, as you can see on the chart, for $25 you get 300% of ROI, which gives you $6 per month. At the end you've got $75. In this package you receive 5 points. If you buy a $10,000 package, you get 300% of ROI, receive $2,400 monthly. At the end, you have $30,000 and receive 2,000 points. So, you can triple your capital easily. In hedge trading, you have different forms of earnings, such as profit division, referral bonus, binary bonus, and carer plan.
Profit division. This is a profit-sharing bonus that the company gives to their clients for their commitment and trust in Hedge. So, you get 1.2% a day from Monday to Friday, during the duration of your contract. Referral bonus. The company gives you 10% bonus every time a new member comes in and invests in Hedge, referring by you. All you need to do is to share your personal Hedge link with others. That's help Hedge expand network and give others the opportunity as well. Binary bonus. If you are a well-connected person and have a great network, you can take the most of this bonus. As you can see in the example, you have 2 teams, each team accumulates points, and at the end of the day, you get 50% the points of your small team, converted in money. And finally, we have the carer plan. It's a compensation plan that's reward every person who work really hard and stands out the crowd. Let's go through it. Gold. You become gold when you accumulate 3,000 points, and you get a prize of $300. Ruby. You become Ruby when you accumulate 20,000 points, then you get a prize of $500. Emerald. When you accumulate 100,000 points, you become Emerald, and receive a $1,000 prize. Sapphire. When you accumulate 200,000 points, you become Sapphire, and receive a $3,000 prize. Diamond. You become Diamond when you accumulate 500,000 points, and you get a prize of $5,000. Ambassador. To become Ambassador, you have to accumulate 1 million points, and you get a prize of $30,000. President. To become President, you have to accumulate 1,500,000 points, and you get a prize of $70,000. Emperor. To become Emperor, you must have accumulated 3 million points, and as a prize the company pays you $250,000. It means that you made it, so, welcome to the top.
So, my dear friends, we get to the end of our presentation. I really hope you have understood the business and felt how powerful this opportunity is, and how it can change your life. The ball is on you now. Start develop hedge trading today, and make the money you deserves. Thanks for watching and have a good time with us.